Okay, so this is my website. I'll, we did the date part, and we were doing the edit part. And when I click this edit video, I was able to change the details, but I was not still able to change the categories. And we need to change this title and this text. So let's try to change the title. When I click edit, I should be able to see edit video. And here also I should see the update video. So let's do that part. So I'm in the videos. So when I click the edit button, I change this edit video function. I call edit record. So whenever we have edit record, we should change this text to update video, something like that. So I can say here in the button, if we have this dot state dot edit record, then I call the span tag and the span tag. I can put the question mark also. So if we have edit record, then show this part, and then I'll put the colon, and in the colon I will say to the add video, and here I will close the curly bracket. I'll close the span tag, and here I'm saying add video. Here I'll say update video. Let's see. So now it's add video because we are adding it. When I click edit, it's saying update video. Same thing we'll do in the top where we have this add video, and I will say h3 tag add video, and here I will say edit video, and I'll give the video title. Video title is nothing but this dot state dot video title. When I'm editing, I will put the title so that I can see what title I'm trying to edit it. Okay, so by mistake 2 has here, so I want to delete this. So I'm adding video. If I click edit, it's saying edit video and the video name. So whenever I'm trying to edit, I'm getting edit video, and we are giving the name of the video which we are trying to edit it. Now the only part remaining is category part. Now if I update the category, if I update the title, I am able to see the updated title. See Musafir 1. So I'm trying to edit again. I will do this and I'll update video. But if I try to change the categories and I click okay, let's say edit video, and I click I remove the categories and I click update, and if I try to edit it again, these are their same. So we are not really manipulating the categories now, but we have to do that part now. And in this also, we have to change the message. So let's try to change the let's try to change the category part. So to do the changes in the category, I can do one thing. I can delete the old categories and I can recreate it. So what we did in the delete part, if we see the delete part, we are calling the delete record. So here I'm going through all the category path and I'm deleting it. So let's take this one and we will delete it before we, so for edit, first we will delete it and then we will recreate it. So to delete it, I want to see the category path. Once I get category path, I will delete it based on this code. So I will go through when I'm adding it. So when I'm editing it, I'm returning from here, but when I'm adding it, I'm going to this one also. So let's see here what is the category path is there. So I will just do console, or let's do the console.log when we do the edit one. So let's do here. So let's see what value is coming, and then we will try to get the category path and then we'll delete it. So edit category and we get the V and we have this category path. So based on this category path, I will delete all these categories and then we will recreate it based on the category choosing. So what I'll do, it's in the V. So when I am editing it, I will delete it here. I will delete the categories here. So categories are located in the, so let's about this one. So categories are located inside the this dot state dot edit record dot category path, and then I will go through the category path and I'll try to do the category path and I'll make set null. So here we are actually deleting the, so let's write down deleting the categories. So whenever user edit it, I will delete the categories and then I will add the categories here. And here I will take this message, confirm message, and I will in the end. So I will just make this edit null equal to here. I will put this edit null here, and this error message has to be changed based on the edit or not. So I will say if I have, I will say let error message equal to I will put that message and I will say if this dot state dot edit record, if we have edit record, and I will change this error message is equal to video updated successfully. And in the first case, I will say video successfully added. And then I will take this error message and I will put it here. So here I will comment it as error message based on edit or add video. Here I will say setting all the variables to null. And here I will put some comment sending user to top of the page. So, and here we are adding the categories. We'll say adding the category. So this is all about the one. And here I'm saying if not category, I'm returning it. So instead of returning, I'll say if this dot state dot category, that means if we have categories, then put this code. And so I will put this code if I agree, but then this message will go continuously. So this is something adding the categories part. Let's see now if I'm able to edit and add. So let me try to first edit it. I'll try to delete some categories and I'll update it. The video updated successfully. I'll edit this. I'll edit this one. So still the categories are same. That means it is not deleted properly. So let's see why it's not deleted. So here I'm trying to delete the categories, but somehow it is not deleting it. So maybe, okay, let's see what is the path. And right now let's try to comment this part. And now I'll try to edit it again. And I'll delete two of the categories and I'll say update. Once I update, I will see the path. So I have my flicks and then I have list. Then I'm going to list ID, I'm going to categories, and I'm going to the, okay, let's see. I'm going to the videos and I'm deleting the video. I'm deleting the video from this year. So I'm deleting the video from the 4 paths because we have 4 paths. So I'm going to the categories and inside categories I'm going to the 7C and inside 7C we are going to videos and inside videos I'm going to the NC. NC is this one. Second one is also NC in the subcategory. Then we have P4. Okay. Somehow it is not deleting it. Let's see why. So I am going to the category path, that is this one, NC, that is this one, and I'm setting it to null. Should work actually. Okay. Let's say if I return it, after deleting, I'm returning it. I'm deleting these two and I'm clicking update. So it's deleting the 4, all the 4 categories. Let's see, 4 is deleted. So which one is dot deleted? Subcategories VI. Inside VI, we have videos. We go videos. Inside videos, I delete the NC, which NC is not there. So I deleted successfully. I'll try to edit it again and it's coming back again because path is not updated, I think. Because I deleted, okay, I deleted. Let's see whether I updated the path or not. So we have a unique ID like this. We have unique ID here. And then let's see if I'm coming inside this one. I will delete this. Let's see. So I'm going inside here. So that means I am inside here and I have only two categories. And then I create a category path. Let's see cat array. So cat array is two, section and judo. So this one is also going correctly. Okay, let's check now these three things. One is the cat string, one is the category path, and one is category keys. Also, we are updating the URL. URL is nothing but this URL. Okay, so problem here is like this. Here URL is with unique ID and here URL is not with unique ID. So we are not really updating it properly. So here URL is with unique ID and here we don't have here the URL is with only this part. And that's the reason. So let's make this change. I'll say URL update. Get URL update is equal to URL, which is nothing but this URL plus unique ID, and I will update this URL. So the problem was this path. Don't need to really do this thing. So now the URL will be nothing but this. In both the cases, it will be like this. Initially, it was different URL here, so it was creating a problem. Now it will work fine. I delete two categories, update the video. I will click this one and I'll click this one. So I have only two categories. I'll click this one, I'll click delete and I'll update it. And then I'll click this one. We have updated categories. So we are now updating the categories properly by deleting it first and then recreating it. Now let's see, we have theme, which works fine. We have videos, which works fine. Okay, this all have deleted, like, okay, this one got deleted maybe by the someone because I'm getting from the YouTube. So, you know, we may get video deleted. So I have to delete it manually. So this one was deleted, I'll delete it. I need this search also here because there are so many videos and I want to delete something. I won't be able to find it easily because there may be hundreds of videos. So maybe we can add that also. Before that part, I will just add 25 videos per page. Okay, so we have 25 videos per page. And I'll also put the search part here, filter part, which we did in the home page or in the views. So let's see in the view one how we did we created the filter. So this is the filter. Maybe I can copy this one and I'll put it in the I'll put I will set the state, this one, and page number also. Page number is already there, but filter part I will put it here. So here I have the filter. Now whenever some searches, I want to show that one only. So for that, I have to pass this filter here as a third parameter. And I have to pass this also as a fourth parameter. So here, if I go here, let's see where we are. So we are passing here. So third and fourth should be passed like this one. So now if I want this video, I will say stop here. So I get only this one. So let's say if I go here and if I want to delete one, maybe for example, if I want to delete, okay, let's say I want to delete this one. It's a Dino. So I will go here, Dino. So Dino are of 3. I will delete all the 3. And then we don't have the Dino. So that's complete our MyFlix as a first version. So see, this title is too big. Maybe in the phase 2 we will fix this title also by putting some CSS. I don't want this title to go out, but I will not fix it now. I will let it be because right now I don't want to do any more changes for this website. So what I will do now, I want to delete all these videos actually. So what I will do, so when I create this common and config, so you will see the local host is pointing to MyFlix and myflix.info is pointing to MyFlix. So what I will do, I will do few changes for the local host. Keep MyFlix as same, but for the live website, I will make MyFlix live as a folder. So all the things which are on the website final, it will go to this folder and my local will go to this folder. And also I have to do one more change. And that change is, let's see, where is that change? So that default list, this default list should be for the local, it should be like this because this is something for the local, but for the live, it should be different. So I will say, so I have to just point local and, I have to differentiate between the two. So we did the differentiation in the food donation, I think. Yeah, so we did something like this. Let's do the same thing here. So I will say default path. If it is development, I will use this one. And if it is live, I will use the live ID, which I don't know now. I will get it from when I will create it. And I'll just use this default path here. So the default list is pointing to default list path, and this default list path is different for the development and the product. Right now it's pointing same, but I will create it. I will create it in the fly, and then I will change it here. So what I will do first now, let's run the npm run build. Okay, so my build is ready. I will upload it on the server. So I'm going to the build folder. So still I don't want to make it public, and v2 only, it's Matrix server info. So v2 will really put something because I need to do few more changes, which I will do in few days. So let's do that change. So first let me upload all the files on the server. This all files are going. I put something in the API folder which I haven't used it. I just put it. Maybe I will delete it. I was experimenting something in that folder. Okay, so I think a few more files. Yeah, 1 second. I'll just screen share in a minute. So this is the last file uploading. So see, the title is coming. React app. I don't want this title. I want some different title, which I will fix in few days. We will do some fixing also. Right now you don't see any videos here because we don't have any videos. Let me refresh it again. So right now we also see the console.log. Later on I will delete console.log also. I don't want so many console.log on production, so we will fix that also. Let's log in. Can you hear me now? Can you hear me? Okay. Uh, so let's put one of the category for now. For example, I'll put action movie only, and I'll add only one video. Let's add only the one video. I'll add only one video now, and that is okay. Let's put this video. I'll put only one video, and I'll choose action. I'll put one video, and here I will put. I don't need to put text now. I will add it. Okay, so there is some error. So when I'm trying to add, it's giving some error. So here also we may find same error. So if I try to add the video, I may get error here. So this error came because we did edit part, and okay, we need to work on this fix also, which we'll do. Okay, here also I'm getting the error. You cannot read the property ID of the null. So maybe we are using some ID which is null. So let's see where we are using the ID. So we are using here we are using edit record.id. So here we have to add one more called as if we have edit record and if we have ID. Otherwise edit record was null and getting the ID of null is giving error. So we'll check if edit record is this one and ID is this one, and we got the default list. So let's refresh the page. So let's take the default ID and put it in the production part of the default ID. So here is the list. So this is the list I created just now. Default. I'll take this ID and here I will put in my action. So if it is development, I use this one as a default. Otherwise, I will use this as a default. This is the production one. This is the local. Okay, let's do it again. I will run npm run build. जाओ वॉश करके बाद एक मिनट एक मिनट मैं कराता है एक मिनट एक मिनट वो बोलूं. Okay, so we are done with the build process. I will again upload all the files. Oh, this is my website, mindfix.info, and I will suggest you to go through this website today and try to create your own list, try to add your videos, and try to make your Netflix like video, and we will see how you are also making and how I'm making, and we will try to figure out the problems which we are getting. So you also build something in this website and I'll also build, and then we will see what the things we need to improve and how our site looks like. So this is the last file. Okay. Okay, let's refresh again. And I'll choose this and I'll add sorry, let's take the YouTube video again, this one, and add it, and this video got added. So on the main page I'm getting only the one video. So right now I'm putting only one video, but I will also add more categories and I'll add more videos. You also do today same thing, and we will see tomorrow to fix small things to make it little perfect before we really go with the public. Is that okay?